Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we are going to make some more gingerbread DIYs. So let's start with DIY number one. For this, I'm going to make gingerbread from scratch. So I'm just taking some of this applesauce cup and some cinnamon and some white school glue, and I'm taking 1 cup of applesauce and the same measurement of cinnamon, and I'm just mixing it together, and I'm taking approximately 1 tablespoon of school glue, white color, and I'm just mixing all these together, and I made a dough ball out of it. I took a piece of baking paper and then I'm just pressing it down using some of this round object. I just used paintbrush and I made it into a very thin layer of it, and using scale I just measured the corners, and I'm just taking out this excess of this gingerbread mixture, and I'm going to ball it back and make it some more gingerbread ornaments. And I'm just drawing, like taking equal measurements, and I'm drawing the roof of the house, and I'm going to make gingerbread house. You figured it out, right? So I'm just removing the excess of this gingerbread mixture, and this is one piece, and I just made like 4 pieces out of it, and I let it dry. Now I'm taking one of this wooden gingerbread piece that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just carving out gingerbread people. I think I did 2 of them, and the rest I just hand drew all this star and bell. Now I'm drawing Christmas tree and Christmas trees and star, and all these are like really easy to draw. And if you want to really have some template, you can always use some of the Christmas tree template to do it. For me, I think it's easy to do this, so I'm going to freehand it. And this is one of the Christmas tree I'm drawing. I'm also going to punch a hole on top, like you can see some in the star and the bell. I'm going to use the end of the skewer, and I'm making a hole out of this, and I'm going to let it all dry for 24 hours. And this is another one. I made a circle. This is an ornament I'm trying to make. I just punched with one of the lid, and after it dried for 24 hours, this is how it's still wet, the center part. So I'm just going to carve out the windows. Now I'm going to take equal quantities of white school glue and shaving cream, and I made this buff paint mixture, and the bottle wasn't working, so I filled it in one of this a cone. I made a cone out of the plastic paper, or you can use a Ziploc bag, and I attached with a cellophane tape. I started drawing around the windows, around the gingerbread house, doors, and this is how it turned out after all the decorations are done. And I'm going to work on all the 4 home pieces, and this is the gingerbread people, and I'm going to let all this dry. And I took one of this cardboard piece, and I'm covering with the tissue paper to create the base of this gingerbread village. And these are all the 4 home pieces I painted, and then some of this Christmas tree and a bell and star and gingerbread people and ornament. And the excess of this foam, I just stuffed it on one of this chart paper, and to create like a snow effect there. This is all puffy and looks like a snow there, and I attached to this base of this cardboard piece, and I'm attaching all of this gingerbread home next to each other, and this is how it looks after it's all stuck. And this is the gingerbread village, and it's all handmade from scratch. So I'm so happy how this turned out, and it smells amazing, not to forget that. And the cinnamon is smelling so nice. And I'm also going to hang these ornaments in the Christmas tree, and I just wanted to lay it down. I also made some of the bricks, like you can see the squares in front of the house, and this is the final decoration of how the gingerbread village turned out from cinnamon and applesauce. And I'm so happy how this turned out, you guys. So you have to let me know what you think about it. so happy how this turned out. This video would be part of Craft Your Stash Anything Christmas, and this is hosted by Tosha from Sunflower Tosha and Joanna from Joanna's DIY Life and Christine from Divine Designs. So I'm going to link the crafting channels of these three creative ladies in my description box as well as link to the playlist. So please watch all of our videos and give lots of love. Let's move on to DIY number 2. For this, I'm going to use this sign that I wanted to use from long time. This is from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint all these letters away with white chalk paint. And these are some of the foam letters, felt letters, sorry, from Dollar Tree. And I painted with red color paint on it. And after it's dried, I'm just taking a scale, and I wanted to, lay all these letters to come in a straight line. And I'm sticking it all together, which spells bakery in the base, and using hot glue. This is how it looks after all the letters are stuck. That is Gingerbread Bakery. And I also got 2 of these gingerbread people, and I'm just sticking on either side of this rolling pin just like that. And I just love the beautiful rolling pin in the center with the wooden grain on it. And I'm also going to attach the top with this twine, baker's twine, red and white. And I'm just taking generous amount of hot glue, and I'm sticking one round of it on top and bottom. And I also added one bow on the top to finish the look. Isn't this pretty? I just love how this turned out, and it looks so store-bought, I would say. I think it turned out great, so please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this, I'm going to decorate the candle, and this is one of the shiny peppermint stripes gift wrap paper, and I just measured according to the candle's circle, and I'm just pulling off the top sheet of this candle, and I'm just attaching this using a little bit of a Mod Podge, and I just worked my way to completely stick around this candle, and I worked my way to attach the other end, and both the ends match so nicely and equally, so it looks like one straight line of stripe. You see what I mean? This is what I was talking about. Doesn't this look like a straight peppermint piece? And I also created one of this wreath out of Christmas greenery, and also stuck some of this red and golden berries on it, and I attached a bow on, and I just stuck all these together with the hot glue just like you saw. And this is such a cute decor to add all the collection of gingerbread DIYs today. This could be a nice Christmas gift to one of your near or dear. And yeah, this is another DIY that I want to share, and I'm so happy how this turned. I hope you would like it too. Please let me know. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this, actually it is a hack, and I'm going to use some of these stickers and decorate this back part of the shadow box. And this is one of the Christmas tree sticker. These are all window clings, and I'm just taking all the stickers that would go well with this whole Christmas gingerbread vignette I'm actually making inside. And I took another sticker packet which has a nice gingerbread house and a sign, Merry Christmas sign in a gingerbread village, you can say, and some of this cookies which are in snowflakes, and one of these peppermints, and I stuck all these together with Mod Podge, and I'm also dry brushing all over this shadow box with this white chalk paint, and this will give like a nice weary effect there. And I'm sticking two of this gingerbread people on either side of the shadow box. Of course they have to be part of this family, right? So I also took some of this red poinsettia and some Christmas greenery. I created a decoration on the top to finish the look. Isn't this a quick decor? And you can easily make with this Dollar Tree stickers and Dollar Tree supplies, and quickly decorate your house around if you are interested in making gingerbread decor. And yeah, this is one of it that I want to share with y'all. So please let me know your thoughts. DIY number 5 or hack number 5, and I'm going to do the same attaching the stickers on one of this brown sign from Dollar Tree, and these are like little puffy stickers, and I'm actually placing all these, and I'm going to stick it with a hot glue, and I'm just placing a joy on the top, house, and a Christmas tree, and some stars, and gingerbread man. And I'm also taking this beaded garland that I have already used for a previous project. This is like going well with all the colors of gingerbread. I took two of these bows. One is red and white buffalo plaid bow and one red sheer ribbon bow, and I attached on top of this beaded garland with some Christmas greenery to finish the look. This is another quick hack to decorate your house with gingerbread decor, and yeah, this is one of it, and I think it turned out great. So please let me know your thoughts. If you'd like to connect with me on social media, these are some of the handles that you can use. And now we reach the final part of the video, and this is the final reveal of all the gingerbread DIYs today, you guys. I thoroughly enjoyed making all these DIYs, and I think this gingerbread bakery sign and the gingerbread village is my favorite today, and also the candle. These are my favorites today. I would like to hear what are your favorites. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you like some of these ideas and you would like to join the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join, and don't definitely forget to hit on the bell icon to get updated when I upload videos like this. And I want to thank all of you for taking some time to watch this video, and it means the world to me. Thank you guys, thank you so much. And until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.